Annyeonghaseyo, Shane and mother of Shane. Okay, so last January 15, the last event that we had here in Sakdos. So Shane will gonna receive 500 from Ihujinin, and your mom will gonna receive 100 from Kim Yong Sunim. This is from the pledge from the parents. So Kim Yong Sunim also added 100. So this is for you, Ate, 100, and this is for you from Ihujinin, Shane. So ikaw sa una, Shane.
Kim Yong Sunim, kamsamida.
Kamsamnida, Shane and mother of Shane. Ihujinin and Kim Yong Sunim, kamsamnida.
Annyeonghaseyo. Maayong buntag nim, kamsamnida for the bugas. Kamsamnida. Take care.